In today's video, I'm gonna talk about burping techniques. So I'm gonna demonstrate two burping techniques. One is the over the shoulder and two is on the lap. So remember that the reason you burp your baby is to release gas. This is the air that the baby may have taken in during the feeding. So babies feel better after burping. And the activity helps stimulates the baby. So to start is, let me show you. So before we do the demonstration, wash your hands first or use an alcohol to sanitize our hands. And of course, use a face mask. So I'm gonna show you the first one is the on the shoulder. So let me demonstrate it to you. So okay, to start is hold the baby up on your chest so the baby is facing toward you. So it will go something like this. So I'm gonna get my baby and you have to put your baby onto you, towards you. So you'll want to put a burping cloth over your shoulder in case the baby spits up. So I have a cloth. Okay, to start is use your hand to gently but firmly pat your baby's back between the shoulder, working your way up and down. So we're gonna go up, pat it gently, and we're gonna go down. So you can also rub your baby's back after a several pats. So it will go something like that. Just gently pat your baby's back, not too hard. Then after you pat it, you can rub your baby's back after several pats. So after a while, you'll get to know your baby. You'll learn what seems to work best. So keep in mind that breastfed babies tend to burp less, and sometimes babies don't burp at all. And babies burp for about a minute, then continue feeding. If baby is crying, try standing or rocking or talking to your baby. So let's go to the second one, which is on the lap. So the second technique is where your baby is sitting on your lap, placing a burp cloth on your leg. You can use either leg with a baby facing either way. So I'm gonna show it to you. So you'll notice that I put on a cloth and here is my baby. So notice that one hand, this hand, is holding the baby's jaw. Forefinger and thumb are used as a sort of wedge with the palm supporting the chest. So using firm but gently pressure, tilt and support the baby's head. So imagine that I'm tilting the doll's head or the baby's head. Then, so tilt your baby's head up a little. So just gently pat your baby's back. It is the demonstration on the lap. So pat it gently until you hear him or she burp. So okay. So now we're done. At first, it may seem a little awkward, but after some practice, it will be second nature. There are questions that ask that how often to burp. So burp your baby after feeding at each breast, and express milk halfway through and at the end. If your baby pauses while feeding, may indicate the need to burp. So be patient as you learn what your baby needs and like. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you've learned the two techniques on burping.